Hey everyone, Dr. Bell here with Dr. Bell Health, and today we are going to be looking at a crucial mineral that is often overlooked but plays a vital role in over 300 biochemical reactions in your body. I am talking about magnesium, and many people are walking around magnesium deficient without even realizing it. So let's explore 3 key warning signs that you might be low in this essential mineral. Warning sign number 1 is muscle cramps and twitches. First up, let's talk about these annoying muscle cramps and twitches. If you're experiencing frequent muscle cramps, spasms, or twitches, or even like restless leg syndrome at night, this could be a telltale sign that that you have low magnesium levels. And why does this happen? It's because magnesium plays a crucial role in muscle function and nerve transmission. It helps your muscles relax after contracting, and when you're deficient, your muscles are more likely to contract involuntarily and spasm. And this can lead to those painful Charlie horses that wake you up in the middle of the night, or the eye twitches that just won't quit. Warning sign number 2 is fatigue and weakness. Next on our list is persistent fatigue and weakness. Are you feeling constantly tired or weak, even after you have a good night's sleep? And this could be another red flag for magnesium deficiency. And the science behind it is that magnesium is crucial for energy production in your cells. It helps convert the food we eat into usable energy. And without enough magnesium, your body struggles to produce the energy we need, leaving you feeling drained and weak. And this isn't just ordinary tiredness. We're talking about a deep, persistent fatigue that doesn't seem to improve with rest. Warning sign number 3 are mood changes and mental health issues. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about how magnesium deficiency can affect your mental health. If you're experiencing unexplained anxiety, depression, or mood swings, low magnesium could be a contributing factor. There have even been studies where they give people people are on magnesium for a couple weeks and their depression just disappears. The brain magnesium connection is that magnesium is involved in regulating neurotransmitters that affect mood and brain function. It helps to calm the nervous system and can act as a natural relaxant. So when your magnesium levels are low, it can disrupt the delicate balance of your brain chemistry, potentially leading to mood disorders or even mental health issues. And I'm even going to give you a bonus sign: headaches and migraines. So I know I promised 3 signs, but here's a bonus one for you. Frequent headaches or migraines can also be linked to magnesium deficiency. Magnesium helps to relax blood vessels and regulate neurotransmitters involved in pain perception. So low levels might increase your susceptibility to headaches. Remember, these symptoms can be by other factors or various factors, so it's important to talk to your healthcare professional for a proper diagnosis before you just start pounding a ton of magnesium. However, if you're experiencing any of these signs, it might be worth checking out your magnesium levels. So here are some easy ways to boost your magnesium intake. You can eat magnesium-rich foods like leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. You can take a high-quality magnesium supplement, which we have at our online store, and you can reduce caffeine and alcohol intake, as these can deplete magnesium levels. So if you're looking to boost your magnesium intake and you want to take supplements, I highly recommend using high-quality, bioavailable forms of magnesium. So not all magnesium supplements are created equal. Some forms are better absorbed by your body than others, and I've reviewed a ton of them on my website. But also, if you go to our store, we have carefully selected the most efficient and well-tolerated magnesium products for you and my patients. You can find these doctor-recommended magnesium supplements along with other essential nutrients and vitamins to support your overall health at drbellhealth.com, drbellhealth.com. So don't let magnesium deficiency hold you back from feeling your best. Visit drbellhealth.com today to start optimizing your magnesium levels. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Dr. Bell Health. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and insights, and hit that notification bell so that you won't miss an update on how to optimize your health naturally. Stay healthy, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.